Right, okay, good morning. Today we have Resident Evil Deadly Silence on the DS that apparently does not work. So I'm going to pull out a trusty DS Lite, get this open, and let's see what happens. Yep, no card inserted. I'll pull up the eBay listing. Yep, still nothing. Let's see what it says. Game cards not function. I put it in my DS, it wouldn't read the cartridge. I assume some form of vapor got in contact with the cartridge sensors and staples holding the manual together are rusty. Other than this, the casing inserts are good. Right, well, okay. First things first, I'll get the little brass brush out and just try and clean the contacts a little. Are you joking? Oh dear. So that was it then. Quite possibly the quickest fix. Just going to turn it off and try it again. Yeah, that works a treat. Well, I'm going to stick this up as a short because there's no point doing a proper video on that. But awesome, thanks very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.